Do you want to become a nanny and don't know where to start? I got you guys. Hi, my name is Pa and I like to yap. The number one step is have experience. As for me, I started my babysitting job is because I worked at an elementary school. But if you're not of age yet, you can always ask your relatives or your neighbor's kids or volunteer at school so you have experience working with kids. Okay, so now you got experience, now what do you do? Okay, so this is what you do next. Get your CPR certification. This is very important because when there is a situation that does occur, you know what to do. Not only that, this builds trust in the parent and you outshine potential babysitters that they were interested in. To get your CPR certification, for me, I got my certification through the university in my town. It was only for $45 and I only did it for 4 hours. And it's really worth it because I trust myself when I'm with kids now. Now it's time for the big question that you all have been waiting for is, how do I find these families? Well, for me, I found my babysitting family through Facebook group. So what I would search up is babysitting in my town area, okay? And then what I would do is I promoted myself out. So I posted a picture of me and I talked about my experience, a little bit about myself. If I see a post and that they're looking for a nanny, I will comment under it and they will reach out and we will just connect from there. When families reach out to you, make sure they are professional. Sometimes families aren't professional and it will hurt you in the long run. It'll be very difficult communicating with them and sometimes they just come off rude because they don't respect you. Let's say you found a potential family and they ask for your rate. Well, your rate depends all on you, based on your experience, their responsibility that they want you to do, and how many kids that they have. For me, I started at $12 and then I shifted to 15 and then to 18 and it just went everywhere. The reason why I did this is because sometimes these families wanted me from 8 to 11 or they had 3 kids or 2 kids or 1 kid or they just didn't have a lot of expectations. So that is why my rates were different based on each family. That's all that I have for you guys today. Hopefully you guys learned something. Good luck on your journey and make sure you guys give a like and subscribe. Bye guys!